Why reading Gita is important in human life. What to learn from Gita. Why is Gita Jayanti celebrated? What is Gita Jayanti? Gita Jayanti marks the day when Krishna preached to Arjun those teachings which are eternal. These were to remove the confusion in Arjun's mind and to tell him what his dharma is. Up till now, the teachings have functioned toward giving humanity a cause to live and act significantly, clearly, and devotedly, even after more than 5,000 years. Importance of the Gita for the minds. More than just a scripture, the Bhagavad Gita is a textbook of life. It can help youths with charity or purpose, teaching to perform one's duties, not getting attached to the fruits. Inner peace, knowing how to stay calm amid chaos, these steps would help people approach a stressful life in today's world. Self awareness. With some chapters, Krishna explains how to look within, triggering anyone to look for his true potential. Eternal values. Principles such as having devotion, knowledge, and maintaining a balanced life are universal, so that Gita inspires all age groups. How is Gita Jayanti celebrated? Gita Jayanti is celebrated with devotion and reflective activities, singing and reciting with the devotees a portion of whole of the Gita, and setting a stage for discussion, among other things. Fasting. The common people fast to purify body and mind all. Special prayer and bhajans. The devotees go to the temple, offer prayer, and sing in praise of their Lord Krishna. Gita Dan, distributing copies of Bhagavad Gita so that people can read and gain knowledge from it. Reflection, action. Day of reflections imparting such wordings that devotees can practice within themselves wisdom from the Gita in daily life. Importance of Gita today. In a world most of the time filled with distractions, uncertainty, and conflicting values, the Bhagavad Gita is a lighthouse. Its teachings guide people toward balanced living, learning to balance ambition and ethical practices. Resilience, finding the impetus necessary to face difficulties and determination and faith. Spiritual growth, linked to a more fulfilling and higher way of life. Celebrate Gita Jayanti by taking in its wisdom. You Gita Jayanti just for this moment. Consider the teaching of the Bhagavad Gita. Through every action, be it reading of the verses, self-reflection on its lessons, or application of its principles, Gita transforms life into one of purpose, peace, and resilience. Let the immortal wisdom of Lord Krishna empower you to overcome obstacles, fulfill your duties, and discover your higher self. Take Gita Jayanti 2024 beyond mere ritual to growth and transformational.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.